falling right into my trap, just like you did in Africa.
Krusty, there you are. We've got business to discuss. First off, we got big problems with your talking home pregnancy tests.
Hey, you're pregnant, and it's not mine.
It's giving 20% false hey-heys.
Okay. Repackage them as coffee stirs and sell them in the Philippines.
Genius. Now, another issue. Studies show your Krusty Burger is the unhealthiest fast food item in the world.
Worse than a double Krusty Burger?
Somehow, yes.
Okay, here's what we do. What's that food we never put in any of our meals?
Vegetables?
Yeah, those guys. Find the cheapest one and make